Geometry class was never the same. When I was 17, I was bored out of my mind one weekend morning, just pacing around the house like a caged animal. Mom was out running errands, and I remembered she'd left a little stash of mushrooms tucked away, ones I wasn't technically supposed to know about. Now, I wasn't totally new to experimenting. I'd popped a few pills before, smoked a bit here and there. Nothing major, just teenage curiosity and boredom colliding. I figured, how bad could mushrooms really be? I didn't do any research. No idea about dosage or how long they take to hit. I just grabbed a hefty handful and ate them like I was popping Skittles. I was fully expecting to vibe out at home for the day. Maybe watch some cartoons, listen to music, ride the wave. But then my mom called. You need to go to school today. Seriously. If you don't show up, you're gonna get suspended. Get there. Now. Panicked. They hadn't kicked in yet, so I figured I'd be fine. Just get through the day and go home. I called an Uber, threw on a hoodie, and slid into school like it was just another Monday. Everything was chill at first. First period went by, then second. I even convinced myself they weren't going to hit. Maybe I didn't take enough, maybe it was old or fake. And then, lunchtime, started small. The cafeteria tables began bending, slowly, like rubber. My friend's face, who was mid-convo with me about something random, suddenly turned into a patchwork of colorful, shifting triangles. Like he was made of a living kaleidoscope. My heart dropped into my shoes. I was tripping hard. There was still one period left, and I told myself, just hold it together for one more hour. That hour felt like an eternity locked inside a lava lamp. The classroom lights were pulsing. The whiteboard looked like it was melting. My teacher's face shifted and flowed like oil on water, and I swear her arms left rainbow trails whenever she moved. I could barely understand what she was saying. Words sounded like echoes. Inside a cave, my classmate leaned over and whispered, "Dude, what the actual fuck is wrong with you?" That definitely did not help. I must have frozen mid-sentence 10 times. I kept staring into corners, convinced I was seeing a tall, black, shadowy figure just standing there, unmoving, always in the edge of my vision. Around it, clocks were spinning on invisible walls, ticking louder than anything else in the room. It was like being stuck in a haunted Salvador Dali painting. Finally, the bell rang. I didn't walk. I sprinted, bolted straight out of the building like I was being chased. I didn't even know where I was going. Ended up in a random field near the school, where I collapsed on the grass, sweating and completely spun out. I shakily called my mom. She picked me up, didn't say much. She wasn't angry, just disappointed. She helped me into bed, gave me water, and sat next to me until I started to come down. To this day, no one knows what happened except me and her. Not my friends, not my teachers, not even the Uber driver who unknowingly delivered a 17-year-old mushroom rookie to one of the weirdest school days in history. Lesson learned, don't trip at school. And definitely don't eyeball your dosage from a shoebox in your mom's closet.